Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for your love and support. I really do appreciate. If today is the first day you are coming across this channel or you are seeing my face for the first time, I am Agatha Progress channel here on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. In this channel, as you can see, we react to all videos, and in this channel as well, our opinion is highly needed. So sit back, enjoy this video, because I don't know how you felt about it, but I believe you got some sense from it. All right, my wonderful family, let me release the video so we watch it together, and I will be right back.
Yes, still on Igara Road. Because of say that they collect them bribe, they no want they pass their own federal road again. Now the federal road where government do for them be that. They don't scatter the whole federal road. Federal government no get road. Now our road now come be the only road. The whole Igara town, they use motor, they destroy everybody. We no even get peace for inside community where we dey. They line up because the criminals wey dey here, they watch over the gate. They don't turn am to toll gate, they collect money. E better make dem kuku stop am and see the kind truck where they follow like road wey no reach two inches thickness. See una federal road. This is the federal road. This is where they are supposed to be using. They no use am again. See am, New Market Road. Now the signboard be there. Now Market Road they come dey use. Now see the kind tonnage where they pass our road. And everybody keep quiet. See, all of them now they divert. They want divert entire inside town or road wey no reach 4 meters wide. Where be say ordinary cars they wait for each other sometimes. Ordinary cars they wait for each other. Make them, all of them una pass the below. All of una go sleep for here today. Oh. If una no go pass the below, now here all of una go sleep. All of una go sleep here today. Me I go sleep here, una go sleep here. Now my community be this, I'll go house, go chop. I go come back, come sit down here. Una go sleep here today. You no get where una they go. If federal government don't tire, make they go fix road for una. This road not be federal road, na state road. In fact, you know even just state road, na local road safe. See road, see motor, see vehicles, see vehicles, see vehicles. You no get where una dey pass. Na below road una go follow today. Una no dey pass here today. See am, if you go like this, the thing go reach your work. I no fit waka again. Make I go back. But the good thing is that they will not pass today. Me, I don't tire. Even criminals wey put for here, make they watch the bar. They don't turn am to private property. They carry hundreds of thousands come out for here every day. Imagine collect 3,000 from all this trailer. Nothing is being accounted for. IDA where do the this thing? They not do it to the raise revenue. Igara Development Association where do this bar? They not do it to the raise money. Criminal-minded citizens, animals in human skin. When they think of the citizens first, all they think about is their own pocket. Tomorrow they will point down to only government. Even we will be citizens. Ordinary we our own self. We are not helping matters. We are not helping matters. If the road scatter finish now, they will say this, that. The matter don't tire me. No get where nobody, no trailer go pass this road again. Tell your oga say una no dey pass today. If all the trailers sleep here 2 nights, their body go tell them. They will not say no be the road be this. Man, nobody stop una no use Ibilo Express. So make una use that express they go. But say una turn, divert pass here, you no go walk. You no go walk. Nobody go use this road today. No trailer go use this road today. Those of una where they come from Lampese, I no care how much una don't pay to beat that barrier. But this one, una no go beat am today. Una go where una they come from. Moto keep person that day for Ojirame. One park for inside Ososo town now. Nothing they do about them. Now they come here, they kill us. Nobody go pass here today. No trailer go pass here today. No trailer go pass here today. Enough is enough. I no get on our time since that day. But today, no trailer go pass here. May all of una they go back. Nobody Make I even go down Marco Polo. Oga, I greet you. I greet all of una. Make una no vex o, say una no dey pass o. You see this road? Na only the good road wey we manage get for this community be this. If e scatter now in the next 20 years, we no see anybody tie am. Na we contribute money to do that barrier to save our road. This is not a federal road. They don convert am to federal road. Motor dey kill our people for town. They dey destroy our properties. If you look and come from where una dey come from Lampese, una driver pay to beat that barrier wey dey Lampese. But this barrier, the whole motor go sleep here today. Make una no vex o, una wey be passengers. Everybody go sleep here today. We dey repair Nigeria together. See, if Nigeria good, e go benefit all of una. If Nigeria dey bad put, as e dey bad put, one day the gunpowder go burst. Everybody go collect for inside. Yes, I go travel go another place. Yes, I go travel go another place. I go travel go another place. I go follow federal road. We no stop una, no follow that road though. But you see this one, nobody go follow this barrier today. Make una no vex o. Dem know, no be today. Dem know. Oga, no worry abeg, no vex. Nobody go pass this road today. All of una go sleep here. If una sleep here with us, tomorrow if they carry una for motor, una go get mouth tell the driver say make e no pass there. No trailer, no big motor go pass here today. Make all those criminals wey dey open gate for una still come open am make I see. Useless people. We be our own enemy for this community. Thieves. Make dem still come open and collect money. Ma see boss ma call inside. Go sleep here together today. No get where anybody dey go. This one na state road, no be federal road. Make dem fix Ibilo road. Make if all of us feed the heat together, today, tomorrow, where nobody go anywhere, where all of una dey here park like that, una go understand say una suppose go do the needful. Take President Buhari may come do the needful. I hope say they see this video for National Assembly. I hope say they see wetin dey happen for our community. We no get another road pass this road. They go, e go pass. They go, e go pass. They go. We do am. We measure am before we put am. All those kind one fit pass. They go. Say make I come, my brother. Una not know say they put barrier from Lampese. Una beat that one. Una want beat this one. I no get power for Lampese. And my local government anyway. But where this one, where my own power reach, now they do so. You know, girl go use the C road where they tie that day. Where Governor Obaseki tie that day. See part of this. If you pass from here, go or so now, the whole road don't scatter. No one remain again. Yet they won't make we keep quiet. You know, cuckoo good make person die for something good. Which kind of rubbish be this one? Watch over place. Una turn am to toll gate, they take and make money. Tomorrow they'll build houses. They'll say, Alaba don dey work for how many years? You no fit get anything. They no know say na thief you dey thief they build. Every day you dey collect 2,000, 3,000 from one trailer. Trailer where they pass 5,000 say they say they go even dey beg una with 2,000 una no agree. Trailer where they pass here in a day reach 100, 500. Imagine calculate that one. Ordinary 1,000 say for 500 trailers. 500,000 in a day. Barrier where IDA do without collecting any money from anybody. Good individuals. Mr. PK Moses, Alaji Kadiri and others for the group. And then contribute money to do this thing. The others will come turn on to their own personal income. Just because of say you get the privilege to lead people, you go give them order. You take this amount if I'm not here. Now, may they come, they know they see her. Nobody go use this road today. Oga make una no vex o. The truth be say nobody nobody go use this road today. We go all sleep here together. The video say go reach National Assembly. President Buhari go see him. Oga see, I take God beg una Not be saying a wickedness with this one. Now make Nigerian good for me and you.
Yes.
Oga, if we continue like this and where this is the right thing, we dey do the wrong thing. The suffer where you they suffer, where me they suffer, our children go suffer past this one. You understand, Oga? So it better make we bear the pain now, do the right thing, so that the children where we they born now, they no go suffer until they suffer. If to say our fathers pay the price, me and you we forget good road everywhere now. The only one, okay, if this one scatter now, sir, which one where they the community go use?
Sir.
Oga, I'm listening, sir.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
I really appreciate what you are doing.
Thank you, sir.
I am the victim of it now.
Yeah.
Which I appreciate you because if you don't help yourself, no government in Nigeria can help you.
At all, they will not help us.
I told one of your guys there that whose home here is better than my home.
Okay.
Where I came from, I worked as a government official 30 years ago. As I left that community, no road, no water, no lights, nothing, and nothing. And that was how it is today.
Can you imagine?
If I want to go to my village now, I'll park my car about 15 kilometers away. Oh, my goodness. I mean, you carry a car for 2,000 euros.
Ah.
So what you are saying now, my own is even worse than your own. If that is what you people decide to do, we cannot stray from here to where we are going. We cannot carry this motor on our head to where we are going. Just temper your system.
Oga, the truth of the matter be saying,
sometimes ago, I think last month.
if you pass here, go now. See,
they are constructing
wait
here in Edo.
Yes.
A very shabby contract.
Now me do the video.
Now
me do the video, Oga. Now me do that video.
What happened the next day? The governor came and terminated
Yes,
the
they are constructing the road now. Better, they do better work for them now by God's grace. Now me do the video.
I follow it.
And that is what you are still doing now.
Yes. Oga, see,
That's why it's doing
if by any instance or peradventure I open for una where they this road, where they come from Lakpese. Others they come from Bako. Yeah, go food today, go reach Enwa. Now, if you look here, go like this now, this road don't full, go reach the work. The others where they come from out east side, when supposed pass straight, they go a below side. They put it for inside town here. They don't full, go reach the work.
They let you keep person.
You understand? So if I open for some people now, what will I do to others? So the judgment has to be fair for everybody. You understand? Every self they go work, Oga. As opposed to I'm an architect, I am supposed to go to site to take quotation for today's job. In fact, I already had it in mind that I will use today. You understand? Oga, nobody go pass today. Oga, I greet you. I know, you don't need to work. Yes. Yes. If you leave the trailers, we don't line up now.
That is why we don't have anything to say. You understand me? If I thought that we are not ready to process them by this time, we are coming from very far away. We are coming from Shigita. So without that, I follow this with you.
Oga, see, may we just close it for here, may we pay the price. So that even the nation go see, say, wahala dey here, the whole Nigeria gather. Oga, una be Igbo people now, Yoruba people dey here, Hausa dey here. Oga, may we fight this thing together today now. May we do this, may we pay this price today, no matter how it be. Let us pay the price. Oga, make we pay the price. So may all of us, may we pay the price today. Everybody should pay the price today. Everybody should pay the price. It's not easy. I forfeit my work today. May they do it below road. The campaign is not Oga, this campaign is not even about you people not passing this road. The campaign is truly about the government to attend to that below road, the federal road. Tomorrow night, if they won't do them again, they'll do them with low standard. Trailers go use that. 3 months, 4 months, it goes scatter again. You understand? So me, I cannot continue like this.
You are the one.
Yes, I'm the one. I don't care who like me or who hates me. I'm not fighting for myself. I no get motor self. For Ghana, my bike dey there. So now my bike dey there. So see now my bike be that. Now dey there. So I no get motor. So I can meander. People pass this forest pass self. You understand? Y'all leave me. Okay, we no fit do anything. Yeah, it don't even pass my powers at the top. So now only government fit help all of us today now. Only government. At least if we sleep here today, if all of us sleep here today, maybe by tomorrow, if government come say, the wahala don too much, so they go write statement, say, okay, this road we don't spoil, go reach and person, they will fix am for us. Until that one they do am, you no get who they pass for here. And make they go do Ibilo road. Make they do Ibilo road. Make they do Opela road. Make they do Ibilo road. Oga, no be leader, I just the ordinary person. Talk to me, sir. Talk to me. Sir.
If I think you can't talk to them, then
Oga, they yell. Everything when I dey talk is live. I know they do anything behind the scene. No, wahala, I dey come. I dey. Oga, they hear you. I'm not videoing on my face at the look. I cannot drop this video, sir.
After you do video,
This is a live stream.
We can meet tomorrow. My name is
Of course, sir.
We can meet tomorrow.
Okay.
Off the phone, talk to me.
Oga, the video that's so Joe for that Chavomi. For that Chavomi, don't call.
You know, say if the community no come out like this, that's what they go spoil the road down. If federal government say they go come repair the whole road wey dey spoil for here, for good.
Oga, should you down there, man? Everybody go back today. No more to go use this road today. No more to go use this road today. Good morning. Yes, sir. Fine, sir. Good morning, sir. Yeah. All of us go get that sleep here today. Who they watch, make una dey share the video. Make government go do the needful. Everybody where they watch this video, make una dey share am. Make una share am. Make National Assembly see suffer where we dey suffer. Make President Muhammadu Buhari see suffer where we dey suffer. I see saying with bat Tinubu Jagaban dey London they do meeting. When we dey here they suffer no road for anybody they pass. The man wey come me go side go talk to me John, he a colonel. He is going to the daughter's graduation and no road to pass. He miss his flight because of still bad road where they come from. Now I tell am say na him go fit even pass the message correctly. He no get wetin we fit do. So that if all of us feel the pain, all of us go get up. All of us go get up. See trailers. You don't go reach. In fact, you don't dey near Auchi. Make all of us sleep here like that today. If all of us sleep here, we go get up, face our government where they suffer us like this. No get where we dey go. Me, I know they do my work today. Send Mr. Buakailo. About preach. Like a area of Okuze. Are you believe that they lead others?
Leader of 5,000. Wow.
Money where they chop don't do. First you go on travel, you go they suffer.
That's going to supply Indomie. You can open for them. I won't open for them with consult Yona with color. That's going to supply fuel. Consult Yona, they will tell us that's what we are allowed. But that of Lampete, they are not everything. And the other